Hey guys, welcome to another series of Ogbono Multiventures. On today's episode, I'll be sharing with you how to make Ogbono soup. Let's get started. Firstly, I'll be steaming my meat. I added washed meat, onions, curry, thyme, seasoning, and stir together. And water. I added water to it, not much water. And cover to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 8 minutes of cooking, my meat is done, and I will be bleaching my oil. Add blended ogbono. Stir on medium heat. Stir and take out of fire. Add clean water to your pot. Add chili pepper to your taste. Add PONMO. This is diced PONMO. Add stockfish. Add crayfish. Add meat stock. Add steamed meat. Stir. Add salt. Add seasoning cube. And stir again. Cover to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add locust beans. I forgot to add that. And cover. So after it is cooked for about 5 minutes, I'll be adding my blended ogbono. So after adding the ogbono, I will stir gently. The water is not too much, neither is it too thick. I make sure the quantity of the water that I have is okay for the ogbono, and this is half cup of ogbono. And cook for about 15 minutes. It's not too thick because once your ogbono is out of fire, it becomes thicker than the content you have on fire. So I will add ugu after 15 minutes and stir gently. After adding your ugu, you cook for about another 5 minutes, and your ogbono soup is ready after 5 minutes. You can serve with any desire swallow of your choice. So if you enjoyed this video, please kindly like, comment and share, and if you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Thank you. Bye.